Okay guys, question number 3, and this question is, where do you get that many tumblers? So let me share with you all the background. As I mentioned earlier, I just did an order, a bulk order of 100 Sublimation tumblers. So that was like one of the first questions. Where'd you get all them tumblers from? It tickled me. I thought it was really funny. So I did get that particular set of tumblers from Amazon. Now, Amazon is not my normal tumbler supplier. I usually like to get my tumblers from Johnson Plastic Plus because over the years I have grown to know their quality, their consistency, and then I know what my prints are going to look like when I sublimate them onto the tumblers. But I think they had like a batch of 25 and I didn't like the price for just 25 alone. So I did go on Amazon and I was able to find a batch of 50 and I thought that the price was decent. I will share with you all that batch of 50. Let me look at my notes here. That was 180. So I did go ahead and get the 2 batches of 50. Now, what I liked was, I was surprised because this was my first time using this particular brand, and I will link them in the description, and also they will be in my Amazon store. But I will tell you that I like the quality. Sometimes I purchase off of Amazon and the coating on the tumblers have been a little bit bumpy, but I will tell you every single last 100 of those tumblers were super smooth and no bumps whatever. Each tumbler came with its own rubber base. It came with 2 straws, so the straight straw as well as the bendy straw, and then it also had the straw breast for cleaning. So especially when you're giving these away as like gifts or even just to sell, to have that just adds to the overall experience for the customer or the person receiving the gift. And now when you think about it, guys, let's think about cost. So the cost was 180 per set of 50, but on average, if you're selling a full wrap sublimation tumbler that is personalized, because I did put the names on these particular tumblers, you're gonna sell it for at least $20, very least $20. So we got design there, we have materials, we have I lost my thought, guys. We have your design, you have the materials that you use to create it, and then actually the tumblers itself. So when you put in their materials, labor into consideration, you are certainly going to get your coins back. Especially as a small business owner, you want to be careful how you charge, and if someone thinks that something is too expensive, they may not be the customer for you and you may not be the seller for them. That's okay, because someone who values your work, someone who values your time and effort will absolutely pay for what it is that you have to share.